The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education.
One of the long-standing traditions that is observed is the singing of Lift Every Voice and Sing at any formal program.
Please stand and join us.
Bring with the harmonies of liberty, let our rejoicing rise.
But a bird that stops down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown, but longed for still. And his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.
Why should I feel discouraged? And why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home?
Today, your challenge, our challenge, is to believe that we can be better students, we can be a better school, we can be better men and women, we can be better human beings, we can be a better nation, we can be the nation that Dr. King dreamed about. Never, never be afraid to do what's right, especially if the well-being of a person is at stake. Society's punishments are small compared to the wounds we inflict on our soul when we look the other way.
Southern tree bear a strange fruit, blood on leaves and blood at the root. Black bodies swinging in the summer breeze, strange fruit hanging from the poplar tree.
His headstone said, "Free at last, free at last." But death is a slave's freedom. We seek the freedom of free men and the construction of a world where Martin Luther King Jr. could have lived in peace and preached nonviolence.
Always. Keep it always. We have never hated black. Listen, we have been ashamed, hopeless, mad, tired, but always we have loved us. We have always loved each other for always. Pass it on.
I'm expected to be in a coffin, a number to my name. This isn't Monopoly and this isn't a game. Because the war is not with me. The war is with my outer demons. On the road to success, I'm bound to meet them. Always striving to hold me back and keep me trapped. And I know it's because my skin is black. Another number is what I won't be. What more will it take for you to see? I am more.
I am more than just a color. My color does not define me and it does not define my problems. Being high yellow and mellow does not scare away the trouble. I am light skinned.
Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to stop me from being free to make my own choices? Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to stop me from voting? Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to stop me from making a decent wage? Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to stop me from living on my own? Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to stop me from worshiping my own faith because it is different from yours? Does freedom mean that you have the freedom to kill me because I feel threatened? If that is your freedom, where is mine? Oh, I get it. Freedom means that you just want the freedom to take away my own. One man's freedom is another man's prison.